A US federal court has blocked most of President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, ruling that his use of emergency powers to impose broad import duties was unconstitutional. The court emphasized that Congress holds exclusive authority to regulate trade and struck down the 10% baseline tariff and higher duties on countries like China and the European Union. The ruling followed lawsuits from states and small businesses arguing that tariffs threatened their survival. The court invalidated higher duties on imports from Canada, Mexico, China, and the European Union. Legal challenges came from 12 US states and 5 small businesses impacted by the tariffs. Trump justified the tariffs by declaring the US trade deficit a national emergency under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. However, the court ruled this exceeded presidential authority, calling it unconstitutional. The White House appealed the decision, criticizing interference by unelected judges, while Trump's aides labeled the ruling a judicial coup. Analysts say this decision disrupts tariff plans and increases uncertainty but leaves some sector specific tariffs and paused China levies in place, with trade negotiations ongoing. In another setback for the Trump administration, Elon Musk resigned from leading the Department of Government Efficiency after roughly 130 days. His tenure saw nearly 260,000 federal job cuts, though many reductions were temporarily blocked by courts. Musk's public criticism of Trump's recent tax and spending bill reportedly hastened his departure. Tesla faced 13% sales drops in first quarter of 2025 and a 10% stock decline amid protests targeting the company. Musk plans to scale back political spending and refocus on his businesses, highlighting the difficulties private leaders encounter in government reform amid political and legal challenges. Diptanshu Kashyap's report for the Economic Brief, DD India.